How do I make a good investment? A lot of people are asking because, of course, with the economic crunch and with the way things are going, the environment becoming more hostile and things seems very difficult. First of all, you have to analyze the risks involved in such business. Some choose to make investment in bonds, some choose to make investment in crypto, some choose to make investment in real estate. But one beauty of investment in real estate, it's a fixed asset. You can choose to buy and keep it for a long period of time. It will not depreciate. It will not reduce in value. But one of the key things to do strategically to make good investment, especially when it has to do with real estate, is to be strategic on where, how, and when to make such real estate investment. People who have made exceptional growth in real estate are people who take advantage of places who are not yet developed, but yet have potential to grow. For us, that is what we are good at. We look for areas that have very high potential to grow in terms of providing infrastructure such as electricity, access road, drainage facility, water services, and the external security of the place. Is it a habitable area within a short time? These are things we take time to analyze and make calculative risks to be able to guide our investors in where they should invest. So basically, one of the things we help you do in Mshel Homes is to be able to do all of those analysis for you. And anytime we start a new site, it is the best time to invest because it is going to be at an affordable rate where we run promo at the beginning of each project where you can be able to make your investment. And one other thing that people should take note of is the people you're making investment with, because there are many agents who are likely not to be very truthful in code. So it is your responsibility to find out about credibility of that person. Are those people trustworthy? Do they take responsibility to work on all they need to do as far as documentation of the land title is concerned? And that is what we are good at. We take our time to make valuable consideration in terms of the title, the location, and all that it takes to make your investment a good one. So these are analysis that when you do and you put them into consideration, you can be able to make good investment. And I can tell you for sure, Mshel Homes is well positioned, strategically positioned to make sure that when it comes to good investment, Mshel Homes is your plug. Thank you very much.